This is Colby Sharp, Farm Bill Wildlife Biologist, Quail Forever down in South Central Missouri. And today we are on a property in Texas County looking at some glade restoration that started back in 2013 and has slowly expanded and continued on Mr. David Crabtree's property. As you can see, it looks amazing. We're doing a combination of removing cedar, prescribed burning, and of course removing some more cedar. He got a whole lot of these native species in here, stuff like rattlesnake master, glade coneflower. We've got a little bit of prairie clover coming up and a whole lot of other species. So this just goes to show you that putting in a little bit of sweat equity and just having a little bit of patience can really pay off, not only in habitat, but also giving you some pretty awesome views. Check out this glade.